Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one. People, in today's video, we want to talk about Squash 6ixBoss, Big Breeze up in them town. People, the feds them, the FBI agent, name Squash as a transnational gang leader. The man them as a Squash is a leader in the underworld. Squash is a gangster. Squash is a boss. Squash are the leader for the GCT6 gang. Them as a Squash at the top of the food chain. Squash no regular. Squash no normal. The feds them have Squash as a transnational gang leader, almost like a terrorist group. Squash and him gang upon an international surveillance level. The feds are pre the whole crew. The feds are pre-Squash long time now. People, Jump Out TV production, I go now, the 411. Ono no say a Jump Out TV production have the sauce, and me have the soup, and me have the juice, and me I go now in the realest way. Pause. No Diddy. So the feds them give Squash a plea deal. Them give Squash until August 28th to make up his mind if him a go take the plea deal or him a go court in a September. So Squash a go figure sit down with him lawyer and reason out everything, because the feds them a go make everything transparent to Squash lawyer. So Squash lawyer a go over everything and make Squash know say we no have a case here, so we can't win. We can't win a battle here. Right now, it better you take a plea deal. Right now, people, the game with Squash right now, yes sir, a problem. Squash now want go penalty shootout because the feds them have the best striker them in the United States of America and the best goalkeeper. Right now, Squash corner dark. It's not a good look for Squash 6ixBoss. So it better Squash 6ixBoss take the plea deal. Me the done a show on the wagwan. Some people say we chat too much. Some people say we are snitch. Some people say we are fish. Some people say I don't chat, we are chat. All we are do a talk. But the idiot them in the comment section when I understand the law and I understand how the feds work, we are going to put on per mute. The feds have a 90% conviction rate. Any case them take up and go court, them no lose 90%. That mean them almost perfect. And if them sit down and pray out that case here, them know say them are going to win already. So people, wanna remember, when we make on know say the police report put it out, they say Squash actually received a tool from a brother named Zinedine. Saying and he received a tool and it look like a firearm, and then the feds actually call Miami-Dade Police Department to pull over the car and make a stop. And the police, them run the plate and everything, and realize that the driver license suspended. And then them stop the car. After them pull over the car, them ask them if them have no weapon, and them say no, and give them permission to search the car. And then the police move straight to the glove compartment and find the chip Glock. And then for Squash waist, Squash already have the case where match in the holster perfectly. People, the man them did a pre-squash long time. A long time the feds them a what squash. Squash get set up. Wicked. Squash get sell out. Wicked. The feds them have a informer. I work with them. Them have a main witness. Them have a man in the camp where used to be a part of squash. 6ixBoss crew where give them critical information. Information were well credible. Information were gone. Slap were clean. Straight penalty in the back of the net. The man a snitch and I make them know everything about squash 6ixBoss crew and him organization. So them know everything about squash. Them know when squash lose weight, how much pound him lose. Them know if him piss, if him shit, everything. The phone them look like it top. Long time the phone them look like it up. After we come out here, so we are tell squash them say, load the internet, load certain things where you put on Facebook, load certain things where you put on IG, YouTube, all of that. The feds them are free. Plus the feds them can get the whole of the information. People say we chat too much. People say we use we mouth too much. Look what go on, yes or no. Everything what we say come to pass. Some of us are a bad man, on a gangster, but on no study law, on no study the justice system, on no know how the law system set up, on no know how courthouse work in the United States of America, on no know the law of the state, on no know the law of the county and how it run. Right now, squash case get turned over to federal agents because the federal agents them been a watch squash 6ixBoss and today them a watch him. Them have him under surveillance, but them never want bust them case yet. That's why them ask the local police to follow them and pull them over. Look for clue where you can stop them and have reasonable cause to stop them. The reasonable cause was the driver license suspended, so him not supposed to drive. Remember now, in the Chrome detention center now, and at the FBI center, the man make over 200 call, and the whole of the call them top because them are prime for long time. The people them at the Chrome detention center turn over all of the information and phone records to the FBI agent then. Right now, it come like on Sunday when you cook your good dinner with your rice and peas and your vegetable and your potato salad at the side and your good carrot juice, and you leave out of the kitchen, figure hold a chair and sit down and the plate of food dash way. Right as the plate of food drop a ground, the dog run in and name your food. So dog name your supper, and we are talking about good Sunday dinner. And you know Sunday dinner the best dinner, well proper. Cause you work from Monday to Saturday to get a nice dinner on Sunday, and dog name your supper. That mean the rest of week wreck, the rest of week pop down. Also squash feel right now, people. A long time them are preem. Them label him as a transnational gang leader, and the government in the United States decide say them are bring down all of their transnational gang them, the terrorist gang them, enough of them a go federal prison or them send them a El Salvador. And me tell you say, Squash can end up a El Salvador if him decided to go court. So he better him take the plea deal. The plea deal will work out better for him, cause right now them have him on 2 charge, 2 count of an illegal alien with a cheap Glock we carry up to 10 years. See? So right now we must know what we must do, cause the amount of illegal immigrant criminal where them have in the United States, them decide to send them El Salvador. Who can go El Salvador and go one country down Africa? After that, we don't know what go happen to you. And like saying have people we can go look for him. His mother can't go look for him. His brother can't go look for him. Cause his brother not straight. Either he look shaky on his brother's side. People is sticky pan Squash 6ixBoss. Enough people I say we chat too much, but enough I don't know can learn from the situation here. Crime and violence no pay, and the government have the most resources. Them have the best judge, the best lawyer, the best detective, the best at everything, and them have all means and resources to get all of the information where them want. Even the same liar where a different Squash 6ixBoss, you cannot trust the liar because the liar now go really go too hard versus the system, because at the end of the day the liar still a go get paid and the system still a go win. The system and the streets is undefeated. Remember me telling about the gun where Squash 6ixBoss have? Say and wife buy him the gun, the man them run the serial number and background check on the gun, and the wife buy the gun game and him get the chip Glock, turn it into chip Glock when him get the switch and turn it into a chip Glock, which is a machine gun. So that is the second count, also a alien with a chip Glock, a alien with a machine gun. So both I charges them carry 10 years and can go up to 15 if you have any previous conviction or runnings with the law. So you can get 20 to 30 years in a prison. We did I tell you now, Squash illegal in the United States of America. When him there in the detention center in a Chrome, the reason why them release him because him and the woman, American citizen, married in the Chrome detention center. Them time there, Joe Biden run the country, so you couldn't get away with enough things. Now that Donald J. Trump run the United States of America, and he might go hard against immigrant in Plea. So we know say Squash go do some serious time, then him get deport. So what the plea deal mean? It mean that him can plead guilty in a go court in the 10 year or more, or him get deport after him do the 10 year, or him decide say him go work with them, turn federal agents, start snitch on people, start inform on people, give up some bigger fish, give up some people when work with, give up some people when know. When we tell you this, honestly, we chat too much and bad man no switch and bad man this, bad man that. When Squash look on 20 years in a prison, seeing 20 years and him have to do more than 15. What you think Squash go do? You think him go lucky like Vice Cartel and Sean Storm? On the thing he feds them go make no mistake. Everything I go do by the book. Them go cross the eyes and dot the T's. And when we tell on you say the feds them no play, on you no believe we, on you say we chat too much. Now everything we are say work out, because we coming like lion owl in a thunder cat. Thunder, thunder, Thundercat, oh, we have the sword of omens. We give us sight beyond sight. We can see in the future. Some of to figure watch Law and Order, NYPD Blue, New York Undercover. Go watch some police movie and see how them same thing here play out. So Squash a figure turn informer. Give them something. Remember, me will make a next video. Because before this happened, Squash did actually sign some paper where the case and him lawyer no want certain things to reveal. Crazy snitching a gone or somebody in a Squash camp where is an ex-member incarcerated or somewhere, somehow, a snitch against him. Enough people are say J-Man. Remember, J-Man a face life same way with a death penalty. So you know, say every man bad till them a look upon death penalty, injection needle. Every man bad till them a look upon 20 years, 30 years. Worse, a federal prison. We Squash no have nobody from Jamaica. We can carry him steam fish con game, carry him dinner con game, carry some underpan con game, put money pan in books. When you get involved with the feds, everybody take with themselves. So we are telling the Squash 6ixBoss get a plea deal from the feds and him have till August 20th for accept or decline and go court in a September where them a go show the whole book pan him and years them a watch him. Big up me co-host here so and me a run off the thing. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.